amaja and ejinse emotions che Nyamira amaja maya abantu bakonye kurwe tabu tayi bawo jikoberi amaji iyo ikabara isi amaja maya basibi amaje buya ba amaje ba banta amaje ara maronge by grace period maybe 2-3 months but ujimotumba otwa excuse mnese rakari nimba enough support ujagre budget yegocha lakini korbono iga to advertise muaroche ama to arigi support from national government last mile connectivity chiwe santo etwange million 500 igobona goikaba connect ya maje boronge kiro mondo omobi bwa maje asibwe timbaza koigu naba my brother naba ningo oyo koiba majo ino moibi gango mondo gorushbe somoboko tigabe kwekoboko yo manye boigo nande ba prae boronge babe connected ya maje ba kana chimita timati about na vera make a decision ego smart meters na vego oko historia yema maja kwando chestate na boko mayangaki abantu banywa macha ayane ngayache ndutaito nyaro wastage and else na international 10% are allowed seepage we can allow that but not a case unatoa bwata Nyawasco 70% ya maji igazile to jinsa anza gasile bantu bari kwa invoice igonga kyora akora always service onye tubwa chibe sa bantu bagwakana igo is the responsibility ya kiro mu Nyamira make sure gwakana ara maji ne neighbor yangu gwakana ara maji na irutora nyago expanded network abantu banyora maji amange amaya na Nyaribo lakini ba advertise abate can cost staff waliwo maite obumanyi bwa maji barera kwa kalera mu kisi kwa Nyawasco lakini tokanyora na yota na iri Nyamira yekagara to take a decision yo kora separation asege songo ikorokwa divorce odi yere important kiagara usapra maje need a lot of electricity na manyete yeko ba supply no monto moko Kenya power and lighting oyore monopoly ogere bono power ya very expensive igogo ikababe epo okore gendo gekoro komune as soon as possible gekoro solarization batumie chinguru chia sora gopambwa maji bapambo mwazo yonse botuka maji a flow elinde cost yokorani biasara iranense ya kabere we ka make sure amaja and ejinse emotions che Nyamira amaja maya abantu bakonye kurwe tabu tayi bawo jikoberi amaji iyo ikabara isi amaja maya basibi amaje buya ba amaje ba banta amaje ara maronge
igo ebodi una yachirwa no kubara kwa macha sichinka tuwagukuri
ntoba grace period maybe 2-3 months but ujimotumba otwa excuse mnese rakari nimba enough support ujagre budget yegocha lakini korbono iga to advertise muaroche ama to arigi support from national government last mile connectivity chiwe santo etwange 500 million 500 igobona goikaba connect ya maje boronge kiro mondo omobi bwa maje asibwe timbaza koigu naba my brother naba ningo oyo koiba majo ino moibi gango mondo gorushbe somoboko tigabe kwekoboko yo manye boigo nande ba prae boronge babe connected ya maje ba kana chimita timati about na vera make a decision ego smart meters na vego oko historia yema maja kwando chestate na boko mayangaki abantu banywa amachi aya ayane ngayache nduta tonyora wastage and else na in the international 10% are allowed seepage. We can allow that, but not a case unatoa bwata Nyawasco 70% ya maji igazile to chinsa gasile bantu bari kwa invoiced igonga kyora akora always service onye tubwa chibesa bantu bagwakana igo is the responsibility ya kilo Nyamira a make sure gwakana ara maji ne neighbor yangu akana ara maji na irutora anyago expand the network abantu banyora maji amange amaya and arrive.
I am a water engineer. I've worked across the region, but also in other countries in the region, in the Horn of Africa. I think one of the biggest problems that we have across different water companies is the issue of old infrastructure. And sometimes this leads to a lot of leakages, but also when people are not genuine, they start doing illegal connections, then it becomes a problem. Water should be a problem for everybody. I mean, the mwananchi that is connected, plus the one who is not connected, should be able to take care of the service that everybody is getting. So I think as a board going forward, the first thing we need to do or focus on is doing mapping of the areas that we have in Nyamira, both rural and urban, and make sure that we have the right populations that have a demand for water services. That way you get the economies of scale. You get who is willing to be connected. That way you can increase the revenue for connections. The other thing, as Governor rightly mentioned, the cost of electricity is about 60 to 70% of the cost of production of water. And if you are able to cut down that to even 30%, revenue will start streaming in and the company will start standing on its own. So I think going forward, these are some of the things we need to look at. I will, of course, Governor has promised us that he will give us support for some time. We have to start working on our own. And the promise of the board, of course, when we sit down and agree who becomes the chair, is to make sure that we are consolidated and working together to ensure that we move forward as a team. From Nyamira, what we want is support. That is all we want, and so that we can be able to deliver.
I'm Director of Water National and Lake Victoria. I know the problems which Nyamira has been facing. As the Excellency has said, this company was controlled from Kisi. Nyamira, we were minority. That's why we have been having this problem of water. But I think with the new board, this problem of shortage of water is not going to be there. We have so many people who are not connected, as the Excellency has said. The problem has been electricity. I think when they did clustering, there was a huge bill of about 22 million of water, which Nyamira needed to pay. The Excellency has tried to pay that, the whole of Nyamira. We also know there is a lot of leakages of water in Nyamira. Some people were receiving water without following the right procedure. Walikificha wakakonektiwa maji, no meters are there. So that's why that problem has been there. We also need to look at the workforce of Nyawasco, which we have inherited, and see what kind of staff do we need as a board.
Great. Asante. Shukran.